Spot exchange rates are 70.85 slash 70.95 rupees per dollar and 0.61 slash 0.62 pound per dollar. Mrs. Reliance Limited, an Indian company, has exported goods and it is going to receive the pound 2500. Tata Motors Limited, an Indian company, has imported goods and for that it is required to make payment of pound 1000. Calculate amount that Mrs. Reliance Limited is going to receive due to above export of goods. That is a question. I request all of you to try to do answer for this first part of the question on your own. Let us have understanding. Everybody is requested to pay attention. The spot exchange rates information have been provided to us like this: 70.85 slash 70.95 rupees per dollar. Next, 0.61 slash 0.62 pound per dollar. 0.61 slash 0.62 pound per dollar. This is the way the two exchange rates are provided to us. See, before I read the question, I just want to do a bifurcation like this. The rates are provided: 70.85 rupees per dollar, 70.95 rupees per dollar, 0.61 pound per dollar and 0.62 pound per dollar. Going logically, we do not want to cram anything. Let us go logically. If at all I go to the bank to buy a dollar, I have to pay more amount of rupees. So for the transaction of purchase of dollar and sell of rupees, this is the rate applicable. And if at all I go to the bank to convert dollar into rupees, I'll get less rupees. So it is sell dollar, purchase rupees. Okay. Again, if at all I go to the bank for conversion of the dollar into pound, then for every $1 I will get less amount of pound. So it is sell of dollar and purchase of pound. If at all I go to the bank in order to purchase dollar, then I have to sell more amount of pound. So it is sell of pound and purchase of dollar. This is the way we have the exchange rate bifurcation. So at this point of time, we only have done a bifurcation of the exchange rate. Yet to understand the question, yet to understand execution of the answer, everything is pending. The only thing that I have done is the only bifurcation that I have done. Okay, now further we understand like this. Listen carefully what I am going to speak. We have been provided with the information over here that say there is an Indian company called Reliance Limited, and this company has exported goods. And for that it is going to receive the consideration in pound currency. We can see that say, as far as the pound and rupees is concerned, they are not directly related. So what happens that say we are required to say convert pound into rupees by using dollar currency as an intermediate currency. So basically the transaction in which the Reliance company would be interested is conversion of the pound into dollar and conversion of the dollar into rupees. Basically in these two transactions, so the Reliance company would be interested upon, that is what we understand. Now when you have the conversion of the pound into dollar, then we understand that say the conversion of the pound into dollar, This is the rate which is applicable, that is 0.62 pound per dollar. Okay. Then conversion of the dollar into rupees. Okay, so conversion of the dollar into rupees. This is the rate which is applicable. 70.85 rupees per dollar. So basically, these are the two rates that will be used for the purpose of conversion. We know that say we are required to compute the rupees per pound. If at all somebody has a question that, sir, can I calculate the pound per rupee for the purpose of doing answer? Then replying to that question, yes, you can do even that also, there is no issue. See, rupees is the final answer that I require because I want to calculate the rupees per pound. Answer is required per pound. Against pound, which currency is given? Dollar. I want answer in rupees term, not in dollar term. So to cancel the dollar from the numerator, it is kept in the denominator. I want rupees per dollar, 70.85. So I'll keep it as it is. I want a dollar per pound, but actually the question is providing pound per dollar. So what happens that we are required to do reciprocal value. So 1 divided by 0.62 multiplied with 1 because the answer is required per pound. So the final answer is 70.85 upon 0.62. That comes to 114.27. 2742 if at all I want to write in 4 decimal rupees per pound. So this is the applicable exchange rate for the purpose of conversion. So we understand that say the amount that Reliance company will receive rupees pound for every 1 pound 114.2742. So this is the amount of rupees for I think 2500. Yeah, 2500 UK pound. So the final answer will be found like this: 114.2742 into 2500 divided by 1. So 114.2742 into 2500. So 2,85,685.50. This is the way we are required to say make the calculation of the answer about the amount of the rupees which the Reliance company will receive on conversion of the pound to dollar and then dollar to rupees. Second part of the question, the amount that Tata Motors Limited is required to pay for above import of the goods. That is a question. I want you to calculate the answer of this second part of the question once again on your own. Now answer for the second part of the question, in which we understand that say as far as the Tata company is concerned, it is required to make the payment in UK pound. It is required to make the payment in UK pound. So we understand that say it is required to do the conversion like this. Conversion of the rupees into dollar first of all, and then conversion of the dollar into pound. That is the way these two transactions are required to be entered upon. So sell of rupees and purchase of dollar. So sell of rupees, purchase dollar. This is the rate which is applicable. 70.95 rupees per dollar. 70.95 rupees per dollar. and then conversion of the dollar into pound. So sell of dollars and purchase of pound. This is the rate which is applicable. 0.61 pound per dollar. As far as the cross currency rate is concerned, for that say we already have developed the formula. As I have told you that say I am doing the answer of the rupees per pound. Sir, can I do pound per rupee? Answer is yes. Rupees is the final answer. Answer is required per pound. Against pound, which currency is given? Dollar currency is given. Against dollar, which currency is given? Rupee currency is given. That is the way we are required to say form the equation. I want rupees per dollar, and the same is provided to us in the example. 70.95. I want a dollar per pound. However, the question is providing pound per dollar, so we'll make it the reciprocal. So 1 divided by 0.61 multiplying with 1. Okay. So we understand that it is 70.95 divided by 0.61. That comes to 116.3114. Rupees per pound. That is the way, so we are required to write the exchange rate. So now, rupees pound, 116.3114. Rupees is equal to 1 pound. So how much rupees for 1000 pound? So the answer is 116.3114 into 1000 whole divided by 1. So 116.3114 into 1000. So it is 1,16,000. 1,16,311.40. This is the amount of the payment which is required to be made. So friends, we already have done this entire answer absolutely conceptually, understanding that say how the transaction will take place, and with that say we have done this answer from the importer point of view, from exporter point of view, from both point of view. Now the same answer can be done with a shortcut method. How that shortcut method is possible, that is what say now we are going to understand. Of course, say the shortcut method will save our time, and with that say we will be able to reach to the same answer. For the shortcut method, we will compute the cross currency rate directly between say rupees and pound currency. That is the way we are going to have say the method number 2 for doing the same answer.